All right, so now we have this URL, Microsoft Learning Hub. So I can give you this URL where you also can follow the same steps from your side, and you can try to create the same. So this is mostly around 30-minute exercise, and we'll see how much time exactly it will take. But yeah, we'll just go and we'll just follow the steps, and we'll see how far we will reach it. Okay. So first point, it says like, okay, we need to go to the web browser and we have to open this link, and it will open the Azure AI Foundry portal. So I have already opened this Azure AI Foundry portal over here. Directly, if you just type here Azure Foundry, AI Foundry, and if you click over here, it will navigate to the same. All right. Now I okay, so this page will open. Now is asking us to navigate to this all resources page. So if you just copy this link and just paste it here, it will navigate to this all resources section. Okay, this is again inside Azure AI Foundry Management Center. All right. So now they are asking us to create a new project wizard, enter a valid name of your project and select the options to create new hub, and use the rename hub link to specify valid name of your new hub, expand advanced option and specify all those subscription resource group, hub name and the locations. So let's see, we create one, go and create. So we'll create one AI hub resource, click next. So the project name I'll keep it the same, by default it's coming one. Click on rename hub, you can give like okay, training hyphen learning, okay, fun hub, training learning hub, and then we can associate some number. All right, so this is my hub name. Now we can see in what is there in the advanced section. So subscriptions, I'm having only this one subscription by default, so I'll just go with this one. Region, they were asking to create, if you see here, the Australia, East, Sweden, Central and West US. Okay, so we'll just go with this West US. Let's see. I just put West US. Okay, and then AI training hub. This just now we have created this hub name. That is fine. Do I have anything else? No. And yeah, that's all. We'll go and click on create. It will take a little bit time, and then we'll see. Meanwhile, let's see what is the next step. Wait for your project to be created and then navigate to your project overview page. Okay, then use the REST API to create a content understanding analyzer. So we have to create now analyzer. Okay, for that we have to use this REST API. We see how we can use this REST API to create the content analyzer. You are going to use the REST API to create an analyzer that can extract information from image of business card. All right, so these are our requirement as part of this exercise, where we'll be having this business card, okay, the image of the business card, and we are going to extract the informations from those business card. And we'll see that what all the informations are available in that business card and how we can retrieve those informations. Okay, now we'll go back to here and let's see. I think still creating, it will take a little bit more time. And all right, so now I think this has been created successfully. You can see we got our API key and all. So this is our Azure OpenAI endpoint, and if you see here, this is our API key. Okay, and here, if you see here, this is Azure AI services. So this is training learning hub, cognitive services. This is the API for that. Speech to text endpoint, text to speech endpoint. So mostly it depends like what exactly you wanted to use. So based on that you can use this endpoint. Okay, now we go back to the exercise and we'll see what is the next step that we have to follow. We are going to use the REST API to create an analyzer that can extract the information from image of business card. Okay, So what we have to do, we have to open the new browser tab, keeping the Azure AI Foundry portal open in the existing tab, signing with Azure credential prompted, close any welcome notification and use this. So basically we have to navigate now back to our Azure portal. Okay, so this is our Azure portal. If you see here, this is our one existing resource group I have created. So it's asking us to go and click on this cloud shell. Okay, and if you see here, they are asking us to right click in the search bar and the top page to create new cloud shell in the Azure portal, selecting PowerShell environment with no storage in your subscription. The cloud shell provide a command line interface in a pane at the bottom of the Azure portal. You can resize or maximize this pane to make it easier to work with. So, and they're asking us to go with the setting and click on the classic version. So we'll go to setting, go to classic version, and now we are shifted to classic version. Okay, so this is our cloud shell terminal which has been opened now, and we'll go and see what is the next step. So these are the command that we have to run. So this is basically a remove command, remove recursively all if anything is already available based on this name, any content or any file or any folder, then it will remove it. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and just run this command. We have to paste, sorry, it did not paste well. Just copy from here to F and paste it. All right, so everything got deleted. Now we have to clone this. So basically our project related stuff is everything available over here. If you wanted to see, just copy this URL and you can just open in this browser as well. Okay, so you have to log in it, then you will come to know all those file and everything. As of now I will not log in. We'll see. We'll go here and we'll go to the terminal and we'll just try to paste this and it will get cloned, this complete repo. Sorry, we have to use this git clone. I copied. Now paste it. Now it started the cloning, this complete project, and now we can give this ls command. You can see ms learn AI info. So this is our main folder name, I think. Yeah, here ms learn AI info. So now we can clear the screen. They're asking us to clear the screen. CLS, go back. And after the repo has been cloned, navigate to this folder. So we have to navigate to content app folder. So how we can go? You just go and just put this command back. Now we are under this folder. What next? We have an ls command. So we'll run this one as well. Go ahead and paste it. So you can see we have beach card 1 png, beach card 2 png, beach card. So basically these are the card which we are going to use to extract our information. All right, so and here are requirement.txt. Looks like these are the file name inside the project what they have uploaded inside that repository. Okay, in the cloud shell command line pane enter the following command to install a library. Now we have to install the supporting library. So basically if you are going to run this one in the Python, right, so we have to run so we'll run in one shot and let's see what all it will install. Paste. We started downloading those supporting libraries and I think could not install package due to an error, permission denied. Okay, so let's copy one by one. Python. Okay, it's asking like it's saying like permission is denied. Okay, so we'll see how we can fix this. And as you can see here, I have already run this command pip install requirement txt. Now what else? Now enter the following command to edit the configuration file that has been provided. So I will just env and will paste over here. It will open our code editor. All right. So if you see here, we have endpoint and key and the analyzer name. Now what we have to do? The file is open in the code editor. In the code editor, yeah, we see this endpoint, key, and the analyzer name. So analyzer and instead of analyzer name set to business card analyzer. So since we are going to use this one, let me go and update this business card analyzer. Oh, it's already being there, business card analyzer. Then we have to replace the key and endpoint. So if you see here, we got already this one, right? 1 second. In the code file replace your endpoint, you can placeholder with the Azure AI service endpoint. So Azure AI service endpoint and either of its keys. So Azure AI, you see here, this is the Azure AI service endpoint. So I'll just copy this and we can paste here endpoint. All right, and then we'll get the API key. The API key we can use and go back and you can put this API key. We'll save it. Control Q. Just got exit. And then what else? In the cloud shell command, enter the following command to view the bitcard.sn. So if we just go here and if you put this command back, cat bitcard.json. All right. So if you see, lots of information is available. Description: business card analyzer, best analyzer ID, pre-built document analyzer, configuration. Then we have some schemas, string extract, company and organization, contact name, contact job title, contact email. So basically in this card, you see we have phone number, email address, titles, name, and company. So these are schema. We will be analyzing it. Okay, so either this company name, contact name, or this job title and this. So these are the information which is already available, and we have to analyze this document based on this. So let's see what next it says. Now it says like scroll the cloud shell pane to the view the JSON in the file which defines the analyzer schema for the business card. Yes, we have seen it. When you have viewed the JSON file for the analyzer, enter the following command to edit the create this Python code file that has been provided. So we'll just copy this command and we'll just put it here again. We'll see. Will now it has opened. Let me, okay, so now it has opened full-fledged code where if you see here, it will be reading our endpoint. All right, the key and analyzer name and then create analyzer. So it will call this method and will be passing all these informations, and based on that it will create one analyzer. Okay, so looks like pretty simple code over here. Let's see what next. The Python code file is open in the code editor. Okay, review the code which load analyzer schema from which carter file, retrieve the endpoint key. Yeah, this one we have already reviewed, and call a function name create analyzer which is currently not implemented. So we have to implement this one. Okay, in the create analyzer function, find the comment create a content understanding analyzer. See here, create the analyzer. What that? Okay, yeah, create a content understanding analyzer. Okay, so create a content understanding analyzer and add the following code, being careful to maintain the correct indentation. So we'll just copy it. If there is any indentation issue, we'll just ask ChatGPT to fix it. We'll see. We'll go and just copy all this code and just below it we'll put it. Okay, as of now I don't know if this indentation is correct or not. Once we run it we'll come to know. So just will save it. What next? So if you go ahead with this code and see what it's trying to do, create a content understanding analyzer, just print of information, set the API version, some API version they have added here. So these are 2025 preview. Then initiate the analyzer creation operation. So we have to create one header. In this header, we have to pass this key and this content type, and then we have endpoint, then content understanding analyzer. In this, then we have analyzer, we have to pass over here the name and the API version. All right, delete the analyzer if it is already exists. So if there is any analyzer which is already available, it will delete it, and then again it will print the status code time.sleep one. It will just take a little pause, then now create it. Now from this line onwards, you see if you run this code, this line, so it will create a new analyzer for you, and they are trying to use put method. Okay, then get the response and extract the callback URL. So basically, they will give one callback URL. So that callback URLs, again we have to perform a get operation. So what basically this callback URL, like it will keep on giving you the status, like how far it has been analyzed. So if the status is still running, then it will keep on calling the same, and again it will get the callback URL and the status. So once the status is succeeded, then we'll just print okay, the analyzer has successfully completed his work. Otherwise it will say analyzer creation failed. So review the code you have added, which create the appropriate header. All right, we have seen submit and HTTP delete first, yes. Submit put, yes. Then check the response to retrieve the operation location callback URL. All right, we have seen this one. Then repeatedly submit and HTTP get. So like we have to repeatedly submit the get request to check whether this analyzer has completed his work or not, or still it is running mode. If it is still in running mode, it will again try to keep on calling. Okay, until it will get the status successful. So that's all we have created so far, on this much. Now we have to click on Control S. So just go and click Control S. Okay, all right, and then in the Cloud Shell command line pane, enter the following command to run Python code. Now we'll go and we can run this Python code. So see here, now we are getting this indentation issue, right? Creating an analyzer, and also, so instead of going and seeing all these lines here and there, so I'll just copy this complete, and we'll go to ChatGPT and we'll ask fix the indentation. Got it. That's almost. All right. So this will fix this indentation. We have to just copy the code. It's still trying to write. Okay. So see, this is the benefit of ChatGPT that mostly we can use. Okay. So all right, so it has been copied everything. Let's see if this will work, and it has been fixed. You go back here and just control A, remove everything, paste. All right, now we run it again, my code. Creating business card analyzer 204 201 succeeded. Yeah, business card analyzer created successfully. So now we have successfully created our business card analyzer, which will analyze our business card. Okay. Now what next? We have to create one client application which will call this analyzer, and it will see like whether we will see that if this analyzer is successfully able to analyze our files or not. All right. So we'll go in the document. So far we have seen like okay, we have completed the analyzer part. Okay. Alright, so just now I have renamed it to 2, and we'll just press enter, and now we got to not 2, and then we got 200 successful result, right? So you can see here now we got again different information which is available based on the card 2. So if you come back to here, and if you go and if you uh, come back to the content, here in the lab file content app, yeah, beach card 2.png. So yeah, these are the informations which has been successfully analyzed and returned back to us. All right. Similarly, we can try for this one. But yeah, this is the main things like, okay, so whatever the document informations currently you are having here, and based on that you have to decide the schema, and those scheme based on that schema, it will try to figure it out. Okay, what all information is available into that file, and it will return back to you. So when I'm saying the schema means, if you see the JSON card, the beach card.json. So if you see here, I've just they have mentioned here business card analyzer, and if you see the field schema, so there are four fields they have included: company name, title, email, and phone number. So similarly, if you wanted to extract some more informations, that you have to add into this field schema. Okay, and you have to specify the type, and then method extract, and then descriptions. Okay, so based on this, your analyzer will understand where exactly this email is available. Okay, and it will try to fetch the informations for you, and it will send back to you. Okay, uh, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.